Yo, what up, welcome back to my channel. So what we're doing today is change the oil on the Gsxr600 K4, and yeah, that's it really. It's nice and easy. But if you're gonna be doing the filter as well, you'll have to take this fairing, 3 bolts there, some plastic fasteners there, take it off. That should come off. Bolt there, and a bolt there, and some more plastic fasteners, and that should come off. Really nice and easy. And you will need these tools, one of these tools, to take off the oil filter off. And when you put it back on, obviously put a bit of oil on the rubber lip, and just hand tight the filter back on. Easy peasy. It's just today we're just doing the oil, so it's nice and easy. Just undo that, undo the drain bolt, put the new oil in, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. Easy peasy. Alright, let's get to it. One more thing before you drain the oil, make sure the engine is warm. The capacity you'll need if you're just doing the oil change, all you need, I think, for the Gsxr600 K4, all you need is 2.8 liters, hence why I got 3 liters there. But if you're gonna change the filter as well, you will need 3.1, I believe. But yeah, just be mindful of that. Draining pan down there. Be very careful, okay? It's really hot. It's warm. Let it drip for a bit until it gets to a little trickle, I guess. Then check your sump bolt for any metal shavings, because that's magnetic. That black thing at the end is magnetic, so any metal shaving from the engine, it should collect around there. There we go. Just time to fill her up. 2.8 liters. We'll see. Okay. So it's all done. Check the sump bolt for leaks, which is good. But yeah, I still got about 50 ml to be put in, so I'm just going to put that 50 ml and that's it. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace.